We've all been here. You have a phone that's slow on charge, you have a charger, but there's no socket. So I'm trying to solve all this by creating a solar charger. So this charger converts solar energy into electrical energy and then stores it in a battery. And you can charge your mobile whenever you need through that battery. 57%. So if you want to see how I made this solar charger, please watch till the end of video. So let's see this circuit. You have a solar panel which converts solar energy to electrical energy. The electrical energy then goes into the battery, thus charging the battery. And then there is a 5-volt regulator whose input is connected to the battery and output is connected to your cable. So the solar energy gets converted into electrical energy and going into the battery and from the battery to your mobile. So let's discuss the pros and cons of this charger. The pro is you can charge your mobile anywhere or the battery anywhere where there is sunlight. But the con is you can't charge your battery during the night, but you can still charge your mobile through the battery. That's all for today. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and please subscribe. So if you have any ideas for my next video, please leave it in the comment section below. Or if you want any information about this video, also please leave in the comment section below. Thank you.